Hi, my dear students. Good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. In the last session, already we are discussed about uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. The object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time is called as a uniform motion. And non-uniform motion means the object cover equal distances unequal of time or unequal distance in equal intervals of time is called as non-uniform motion. Today we are going to study one more new concept, that is a speed. What's the speed? Dear students, do you know different objects take different time to reach the given position, right? Some objects may reach early and some objects may reach the late. But totally the rate of the motion of an object is not same. So we have to measure this, we have to specify this by one more term called distance traveled by an object in unit time. That quantity is called as the speed. What is the speed? The distance traveled by a body in unit time is called as the speed, but the speed is not constant, or the rate of speed is not constant in all the time. That is why we have to refer this as a average speed. What is average speed? So average speed means the total distance is, or on dividing the total distance traveled by an object in a particular time or in a taken time, then only is called as a average speed. So average speed equals to total distance traveled by total time taken. This is called as the average speed. So mathematically it is represented as V equals to S by T. S means total distance, T means total time taken. And next, the speed. Distance traveled by an object in unit time is called as a speed. So SI unit, standard international unit of speed, is meter per second. So here both are giving a same meaning, meter per second. Dear students, one more important point now, the speed with direction. What is the speed with direction? In simple way we call it is the velocity. What is velocity? The rate of motion an object can be more comprehensive. So if we specify this by using the direction of motion along with the speed. Direction of motion along with its speed. When we compare or when we consider the speed along with the direction of motion, the rate of motion will be more comprehensive, right? So the quantity that specifies both speed and direction is called as velocity. In simple way, velocity means the rate of change of displacement of an object in unit time is called as velocity. In case of velocity, the object is changing at a uniform rate, then it can be considered as average velocity. So what is average velocity? Average velocity is the sum of the initial and final. Dear students, average velocity means dividing the initial and final velocity by the 2. So then we are going to study one more new concept, that is a rate of change of velocity is nothing but acceleration, right? What is acceleration and how it is important in our day-to-day life, right? So during uniform motion, when the object is in the uniform motion along a straight line, the velocity is remains constant. If the velocity is changes in any time interval, should be a 0. Once I'll repeat, my dear students, when the object is moving along a straight line with uniform motion, the velocity is remains constant. If the velocity is changes in any time interval, should be a 0. But in the non-uniform motion, here the velocity is changes with the time. Velocity is changes with the time. So it has a different value in different instant. That is why the velocity is not, or the change in the velocity of an object is not equals to 0. Right? So this is mainly about this confusion. We have to clarify by another quantity that is called as acceleration. What is the acceleration? Acceleration is the change of velocity or the rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called as acceleration. So acceleration can be measured final velocity minus initial velocity divided by the time taken, and SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square.